So a lot of people, when they're doing the leg press, they load up a ton of weight and perform these like half reps. Number one, this is dangerous to do. And number two, you're not going to be getting the best growth for your quads. Instead, what you want to be doing is repositioning your feet so that they're lower on the board, right? This will allow you to go deeper into the leg press, which is what we want to be doing. And that activates the quads better instead of the glutes and the hamstrings. Now with our feet positioned lower and closer together, we want to go deep into the leg press, almost to where my hamstrings are touching my calves. This will bring our quads through a full range of motion and let it get that extra stretch at the very bottom, which is very conducive to muscle growth. You also want to remember to go slow into the eccentric. We don't want to go down really fast and then bounce up to get to the top, okay? Nice and slow, stretch out that quad, get a full range of motion, hamstrings touching calves, and then pushing up. So this is what a full rep would look like.